Testing. Yo, give me a second. I just have to like make sure it's working correctly. Yeah, I can't see the live chat, which is odd, but okay, now I can. Let me grab this. Link. You can hear me, right? Like, can you just send a message in the chat or whatever? Accurate title. Oh yeah, gravity in circles and shit. Just give me like 30 seconds. Alright, here, let me invite you to talk or whatever. Here. I'm assuming the live stream is picking up the audio. Hello. You can't hear me? What? Oh, my mic is pretty, like, broken. One sec. Like, it's a lost cause. Sorry if that's loud. Okay, that might be slightly better. Do you hear me? Do you understand me or no? Alright, cool. Okay. So, congrats on what? Yeah, your mic is never actually good, I've noticed. Okay. That's much better. I didn't even apply to Binghamton. Yeah. It's fine. For real. I never did. I can't, like, encourage that, you know. No. Alright. Like, I'm just gonna sit here. I do not care. No, it's being live streamed. We can go over it. It will be saved to the internet. Oh, I just realized that, like, it can't hear you, which is stupid, right?
You can just like
Okay,
sign it.
I think that's fixed. Talk?
Hello.
Okay, let's hope that's right.
So basically, you're schizophrenic for the first 5 minutes.
Yeah, well, let me find out. Let me test it real quick. I have another device. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Alright, you wanted to do a question or whatever?
Can you just explain like how to do a bank curve problem without friction? Because you said friction ones aren't on it.
Like a banked curve period are we gonna actually have a bank curve?
He said it might be multiple choice.
How would you, so without, Just gravity, I guess, is your okay. Yeah, let's see if I know how to do that.
Also, just for like the live listeners, can we all
There's
thank JT for being an
there's like
amazing
one
tutor and
person, I
saving our
believe.
figures?
Um,
Oh my bad.
so like if we like pretend this is like a cross sectional area of the curve, and we're gonna look at
I
the
can't
car.
see your screen.
You can't see my. You're right. I'm not very professional, huh? Entire screen. Now you can see my screen. Okay.
Now I can see your screen.
So if we're gonna pretend this is the cross sectional area of one of the curve, and the car is like on top, right? Um,
Mm-hmm.
we have like force of normal. There's no friction. Gravity is this way. Okay. So our centripetal force is gonna be this component of normal force, right? This way. It's gonna be our centripetal. So let's find that.
Not in this case, not of gravity like we did in the
Well,
other column.
technically it comes from gravity. So let's find it. First, our normal force is gonna be this component, right? So Fg, what is that? Fg cos theta, right? That's theta. So
Yeah.
Fg.
Goes.
So Fn equals Fg cos theta. I'm gonna rewrite that as Mg cos theta. Okay. So
Mhm.
that's that. But now we want to find the I would what do I want to call this?
You want to find Fn, right?
Okay, so the angles here are actually like these two angles are actually congruent, so they're the same angle. So we actually got to do it again. We want to find, so now we need the opposite side of Fn, so Fn sine theta. So funny enough, you're gonna get F centripetal force is the net force in that direction towards the in the x direction, and it's gonna be equal to mg cos theta sine theta. Um,
Mm.
what would we do from here? We could set it equal to mv squared over r. I think that's how he wants us to do it. I'm not sure. You could tell me.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Um, yeah. Let me see if I can. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wrong thing. My bad.
He
A
didn't post his work, even though I asked him to 3 times, but he had it before.
yeah. So obviously these cancel out. What are we solving for minimum velocity? Gr cos theta sine theta. Rad that equals v. Okay. So um yeah, where theta is the angle of the banked curve. We have to use that theta multiple times because there's a theta here and a theta here, and they're congruent to this theta as well, which is funny. Like how that works.
Ha ha ha.
Well, I don't mean that type of funny. I mean just functional. Uh, yeah. So I believe that's right. Let's see. Does he have it in the notes?
He didn't put no, so I just said I asked him to
Oh
post
yeah.
it, and he didn't post it.
Okay. Well, we'll verify with ChatGPT since no one else is verifying. Let me see. I got ping.
Why don't we just ask like Ben Davidson? He's smart.
You're
Or like
welcome.
Rated, or like Bo.
Can you do the
One of
long
those smart
proof?
people.
Yeah, I can do the long proof, Gian. Which one are you referring to? Like a vertical object dropping?
Wait, what? Air resistance one or what?
Well, that's what I'm asking him. All right, resistive forces. Let's see if I remember how to do it.
Yo, let Nico speak.
Ah, he didn't request it. Whatever the proof is, we can find velocity for time. Oh, yeah, we can do that. Um, sure. Yeah. So we need it's all differential equations. He doesn't explain it that way, but that's what it is essentially.
Wait, Shion's not even in the call. How do you see that?
He's watching the live stream.
Oh, okay.
Because you can do that with a minimized tab. So we're gonna set up our fnet like so we're having a vertical object dropping to be clear. So we have like fg and then what do we want to do bv or bv squared? Here, you
Probably
can
BV. BV squared, like we didn't go over at all.
it doesn't matter. You can give either
It
one.
would be the same. It would just be like
What's up, Gian?
say longer.
Yo,
Bro, he's not giving us BV squared. We
He
didn't even do
will.
that.
It doesn't matter. It's simple. It's the same thing.
Just do both of them.
Okay.
I don't even know what you're talking about, but just
F
do
net
both of them.
equals
Yo,
using
Gian, you want to
Newton's
Bing?
second law equals F.
You get into Bing?
We'll do-
Bing? It's
Bing is
out?
done. Yeah, some of them.
What?
Yeah, I got mine back.
Okay, great.
Me
Bro,
and
I didn't
Ian
even get
both
my...
did.
Bro, do you get an email?
Yeah, it said your application status changed.
Guten Tag.
Oh, I did not get that. Did I even set up my portal?
Oh no, bro.
Can we like?
Oh, no, I set up my portal. Yo, so Zach, like, Ian got rejected, right?
No, Ian got in.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Acceleration is the identity of it is dv over dt equals g minus b v over m. So you wanna kind of, you're essentially integrating both sides with. Oh crap. Well, that's inconvenient.
Can we please use K just to stay with the standards of the AP College Board?
Is that what they do?
Yeah.
All right. If I can get the screen share working again. Which I may
Yeah,
not
I'm
be
not
able
gonna. Yo, Zach, I don't even think I set up my portal. That might be why I didn't get it.
It's okay, bro. You didn't
Bro.
get it.
Bro, all I see is admission decision by January 15th. That's all I see on my
Oh.
portal.
Oh, you're cooked, bro. They put you on the side, man. No, I'm kidding.
I also
Bro, they
submitted
probably want to
mad
yield
late.
per sec, so they didn't accept you.
Yeah, bro, that sucks.
I just want to say, like, I got a backup in case anything goes wrong.
Yo,
Yeah,
I didn't
I
get my
remember-
Stony portal. It's been over a
Yeah,
week.
I remember in freshman year.
Oh,
you
I
asked
got
me
mine
what college I
today.
wanna go to. I said Bing, and you started laughing at me.
I don't remember that,
Remember
but that sounds about right.
Oh my god. I hate
It
technology.
might have been sophomore, but I don't remember. I just remember you laughed at me.
Yeah, that's so valid.
Let's see if this loads. Like, my internet's pretty bad right now. It's probably because I'm streaming on 5 different things.
Bro,
Yeah,
just
JT,
cut
I think you
YouTube
need-
out. No one's watching that.
Yo, I'm watching that.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
You're here, bro.
I know, but I was watching that. And also, I like having the YouTube so
Oh,
I
this
can watch
is
the
great.
playback.
Yeah, this is great. Well, my technology's not working, so I might have to. Actually, I don't want to open that. Okay. No, yeah, my technology's being crap. So what we're gonna do is I'm
I
going.
think we get Zach to screen share, and he could do the proof.
Yo, hell no. Bro, I might be retarded. Like, if I don't study right now, like, I'm not studying the whole night, so I have to be here.
Yes.
Yeah, oh god.
Especially now that I'm in college, bro. Trust me, there's no trying.
Yo, buddy, you got it to Bing.
I don't even care, bro. If I end up going to Bing, it is what it is. I'll take
Wait,
it. Bro.
did they give you your like package, or did they just say you
No,
got
no.
in?
Apparently, it takes like an extra few, like Ross. You know Ross Camasar, he got in.
Yeah.
It didn't tell him like the scholarship and the honors program until later. So
Is Bing
I'm getting it up.
Bing rolling? Is that why it's back so fast?
no, I don't know. I think no,
that's
until I
not.
submitted it like early action. I don't know.
No, it's probably just rolling.
I guess, but I submitted it like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, that makes sense. Rolling is usually like you get back 2 weeks.
I feel like if you have like a good enough grade for them, they're just gonna send you an email and say you got it.
Why'd you submit it 2 weeks ago?
Yeah,
Why
loser.
not? Bro, there's no supplemental. There's nothing to check over.
I didn't even have my personal statement done 2 weeks ago.
Also, my ACT is 35, bro. They probably have auto accept for that.
Yeah, okay, Zach, you're him. We get it, bro.
No, I'm retarded. My GPA is like 101. Bro, I'm Nico level student. Like me and Cooper Union, we got
All right,
that.
all right, bro. What did I do?
Yeah, so
What?
JT, can we do the proof?
Yeah. It's my internet's being crap.
If Zachary will
So,
stop
Gian, you want me to
talking.
do it for you? So basically, mg minus kv equals ma. A is the same as dvdt. Divide by m on all sides, right? Factor out k over m. After that, you could say mg over k is in there. You could replace that with vt. You got velocity
MG
on one
over
side.
K, you can replace with what?
mg over k is terminal velocity.
Oh, yeah.
Basically, because mg equals kv
Yeah,
at terminal velocity, right?
yeah.
So you can, in the derivation, there's going to be a point where you have to replace it.
Okay, yeah. And what else?
Then you do like it's gonna be like 1 over v minus vt probably. If this isn't a free falling ball, by the way, it's only.
Wait,
Uh,
there's multiple proofs. I thought it was just one.
Yeah, there's
yeah,
multiple.
technically the equation could be slightly different if it's like horizontal drag force or if it's like
Bro, I thought it was always
the
just
ball.
one
If the ball is
minus.
thrown up initially, then it will be like v naught is the starting velocity, not 0. So there's other ways to. There's
I don't even
other.
know what you're talking about, bro.
Think about it this way, right? If you throw a ball up, right, there's gonna be a positive velocity.
Wait, what are we even deriving for?
You're deriving for the equation, the function of v,
Oh yeah,
with respect
in
to
terms
time.
of t, yeah. Wait, JT, what's wrong
Wait,
with your
JT's
thing?
doing it.
What's the thing that's wrong?
Nothing's wrong.
He's doing it, bro.
He
He's
doesn't
really
like that
doing
I'm
it.
using the
Oh, whoa.
what?
I'm saying you're doing it, and they're not paying attention.
Yeah, that's correct.
I'm trying to log into my Bing portal.
Bro, you didn't get in. Relax.
Shut up.
Oh,
No,
I
I'm
did just get
kidding.
an email saying I should self-report my scores
For what?
for Bing.
You, bro, they haven't even. They're probably trying to read over the Roslyn kids right now.
Yo,
And,
I
and they're
swear,
looking at you.
he
and they're
literally
missing
says I
it.
self-reported them already on
It
November
just
Oh
says-
my
2nd.
god.
It just says
Wait, you didn't
status
pay-
received.
You don't get a fee waiver to report them.
I do, I just didn't want to.
Why the fuck you didn't get a good grade?
No, I just self-reported my score because I didn't want to officially do it because it was too much work.
Yeah,
What'd
facts.
you get?
1540.
Bro, why would you not do that?
No, bro, self-report and official report are the exact same thing. I
See,
just
this
didn't
is
want to do it on
why the
College
rich
Board.
get richer because they actually do shit and they don't be lazy like you. My bad.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
Yeah, you know about being rich, huh, Zach?
I'm a Jew, bro. We know that. My bad. That was rude. I'm sorry, Gian. You know I
Yeah,
didn't mean
Zach,
it like
that
that.
was really like
Also, you saw how I smacked Jackie in earlier.
no.
Yeah, once this kid came up to me, snuck up on me, trying touching me, and I didn't know who it was, so I just immediately threw my hand back and slapped him on accident. Can you add him to this, JT?
He's already in it. He can join if he chooses.
Like, can you add him to the call?
He can join the call. I can't.
I'll add him and tell him to
What type
join.
of question is that?
Join up, buddy. Can you explain the proof? You're just doing it.
Okay, sure.
Can you like, yeah, explain
Yeah.
step by step. Thank you.
So we're starting with this. We're having objects dropped from free fall with no initial velocity, theoretically. So so this is our free body diagram, right? FG and FD. So
Okay.
oh my god, I accidentally closed. I'm an idiot. Okay, so we set up our FNet on the vertical direction, FNet Y. It's equal to MA because Newton's second law, right? It's also equal to
Mhm.
MG because MG is bigger. It's gonna go downwards. MG minus BV. So that's our FNet.
Yep.
Okay, if we divide everything by divide by M, we get A equals G minus BV over M. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So if we want to know when it reaches terminal velocity is when it stops accelerating. Its net force is 0. So we can set that up. We set that up over here. When net force is 0, the force mg is going to be equal to bv, because this is
Okay.
0. So mg will equal bv. So if we want to find terminal velocity, we rearrange this equation. We get mg over b is the terminal velocity. That's a theoretical that we would never actually reach. Okay.
Yep.
Wait, where'd you get the B from?
The b is the
It's just the
constant. It's the
constant.
drag constant that I chose instead of k,
Oh.
because we sometimes use.
Yep.
All right. So returning back to here. So acceleration is also velocity over time. Little change in velocity over little change in time. It's the derivative.
Mhm.
And we have
Yep.
we have the same thing here. We can basically integrate both sides by t, which basically means treat this like a fraction and multiply by t. This is technically in parentheses.
Wait,
Yep,
Gian, by
but
the way,
like-
you're gonna usually see K and not B.
You'll see it.
Yeah, I
either.
get it, Zach. But like JT, like how'd you go from like that step where you treated like a fraction, and then how did you
This?
get like
To here.
from that to the one below it?
Okay, I'll explain that. So dv dt. So see how we have a b over m here? We're going to factor out b over m from both of these. So we're pulling it out, so that will make this obviously just negative b. But since we're pulling a b
Mhm.
over m out from, this says 1g, but we're factoring it out, so we're dividing it by b over m
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
essentially. So that's the
Mhm.
same as m over b
Yep.
g.
And
Okay.
how come the outside went from DT to like DB?
He just
Where?
did 2 steps in one, basically. Wait, no, he didn't
Like,
even do that.
Where? This here? This went from
No, the one below it.
here?
Look at the end.
Oh,
Look,
this?
like no, like the ending of each equation. Like it has
Yeah,
DT
yeah.
at the end.
You
And
just
then bottom
multiply,
has,
bro.
like-
So look, this DT got moved from here to over here.
yeah,
To the right.
That
but then
doesn't
like
say
look at the one
B.
below it. Why does it say
It
DB?
says DT. It's just he hooked his T a little bit too much.
Oh,
Oh,
Yo,
this?
dumbass.
that says D6, bro.
All right,
Does not
bro.
say no
Get out.
DT.
DT?
All right. Wait. Why? What? JT. Why are
Okay.
you pulling out? Why are you
Because-
pulling out a B over M?
Okay, the reason we did that is because, well, it's a constant, so we can pull it out of like the integrals essentially. So you can pull a constant
Oh.
that makes, but also because when we pull out a B over M, the G becomes mg over B, which we know to be
Which is
terminal
Oh, but
terminal
velocity,
mg
velocity.
over b is terminal velocity versus VT.
VT minus V.
Mm.
So now, well, I didn't do that yet, but we divide both sides by this because we need to have velocity in the same place as dv, because you can't, because that's the way it works. So we want the v
yeah.
variable to be, so we divide this on both sides and we put it down here. Now the next step is when I substituted mg over b. I substituted this mg over b for vt. And then we have that constant from before, b over m dt.
But why is it negative in the one below it?
Because next we negate both sides. Do we agree vt minus v? If we negate that,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
v minus
yep.
vt equals negative bm. Okay, now we have to. now
Wait. But what's the point
Oh,
of doing that?
Oh,
You'll see. You'll see.
do you
because-
integrate
Okay.
now?
Yes, it's because theoretically, like, well, I don't have a, like, it's kind of, it's just because you want to get it in terms of v, and it makes it easier to do so, I believe. Well, I guess we'll find out, won't we? So if we're applying our integration rules, we can technically use substitution, but my use we'll substitute like,
You don't even have to sub, bro.
Yeah,
Why
Just
would
say
you-
you. Just say you. Just say you.
so
You don't
this,
have to
well,
solve.
this just becomes when we have to integrate this from dv from, so I think it starts at, what would it start at? It ends at vt.
It'll be 0 and V, no?
And v.
No, it's
It
just
starts at
V,
v,
not
not
VT.
v0, I believe.
Wait, are you throwing a ball up or are you doing from dropping it from rest?
You're dropping it. So its initial is v
So
or
it
whatever.
starts at 0.
Well, I guess, yeah. Yeah, starts
Yeah.
at 0 for this situation, 0 meters per second. Okay,
And-
this integrals from 0 to t.
Wait, JT, the top is not VT, it's just V. Because this is a function of V.
Okay, sure. Let's try it with v and see what happens.
Wait. Why are you
Or
integrating
VMT,
from?
technically.
Why are you integrating
Yeah,
from
this is right.
time
Okay, so we're
on
saying
the right side?
we're getting the area of this part from 0 meters when we drop it to the v, whatever the current velocity is. And then for the same thing here, this is actually v of t. Well, they're all v of t. So now to do the same thing, since this one's in terms of t, like in relation to the context of the problem, this is the initial value when we drop it. This is the initial time when we drop it, 0 seconds. This is the function at any given time. This is the time at any given
Oh.
time. So they're basically, these are related to each other. That's why.
So Nico, T is time at a given time.
Okay,
you
so,
say?
Mm,
so those are related to each
shout,
other.
good
Those.
shout.
So now when
Oh.
we do this, we get what is it? Ln
Natural log.
natural log of v minus vt,
V minus VT.
Good shout,
Oh,
Gian,
okay.
good
and
shout.
we have to bar that.
know.
It's from 0 to v of t. We'll worry about that after. That bar means evaluated at. We don't need the absolute value. So let me, for this, I don't know why, but we don't. So and then that's gonna be equal to negative b over bt over m.
Well, V over MT was right. Same thing.
Evaluate it from 0 seconds to t. When we do this, so let's do
And the
ln.
0 is just like
ln of-
nothing. So
Wait,
it's
what?
negative BT over M, right?
Yeah, good shout, Gian. Good
Yo,
shout.
Gian,
so long,
Gian, do you
bro.
mind
Yo.
shutting the fuck
Yo, I'm just
up
gonna
and
leave,
letting him
bro.
explain it?
I'm just
Holy
gonna
just
leave.
leave,
shit.
bro.
I already know I'm getting
Shut up.
100 tomorrow.
Wait, where's the negative BT over M come from in the step before that?
Yo, Nico, are you
this
fucking stupid?
this comes from
He said it.
integrating
Shut the
negative.
fuck up, Gian.
Gian, oh wait, let me explain it to him. What's the integral of 3?
With respects to what?
With respect to T.
Wait,
or even-
in
Yo, it's 3T.
It's 3t plus c.
Yeah, 3
And
t.
b over m is constant, so you just treat it as if
Yeah,
it was
you
like
just
any
you
other
just
constant.
add a t here because it's dt. And
Yeah,
so
good
okay,
stuff,
Okay.
Nico.
so now we have
Okay.
this. Now it's equal to this negative bt over m, but we have to evaluate it. Equals negative bt over m, evaluated from 0 seconds to t. So now when we do this, we already evaluated this left side to get this difference, right? V minus vt. We're plugging into this variable.
Yeah.
V. So v minus
Okay.
vt, we plug v into v, which is stupid and ambiguous, but it's physics, not math class. Then we plug 0 in there, okay? Which this is technically illegal, but like everything's illegal in physics. So, okay, negative
So
bt over m.
wait, you're just plugging in v to vt, so it doesn't even change.
We're
just
plugging
stays the
in v
same?
to
Yeah,
v.
yeah,
We're plugging
exactly.
v to v,
Okay.
then 0 to v. So now if we
Okay.
rewrite this with log laws, v minus vt over negative vt. That's all in the parentheses.
Whoa, what?
Log laws.
So Nico, in a log law, if you're
My mic is-
subtracting, it's like a fraction. So
My
the
mic is-
positive would be the numerator, and the denominator would be what you're subtracting.
Okay.
So if it was like the ln of
Yeah, Nico, are
3
you stupid, bro?
minus the ln
Wait,
of
is it-
2, it's just the ln of 3 over 2.
Is this how you do it, like non-U sub?
well,
Yeah.
you kind of do it no matter.
It's easier. This is easier. But like
Oh,
Nico,
wait,
think about it this
JT, I
way:
know the next step. I
ln
know
of
the next
x
step.
minus the ln of
Gian,
2 is ln of x
Gian.
over 2.
Yo, I know the next step.
Okay. Gian, shut up!
You do
Holy
the power.
shit!
You
Shut
put
up!
them all to the power e.
Fucking
Oh, yo, you eat it, bro. You eat it. Exponentialify it or whatever.
Yo, Nico, you gotta be fucking stupid, bro. This shit's mad easy. No.
The thing is,
Yo,
Nico
bro,
has no
yo,
idea
bro.
what's going on, bro.
No, I got some idea. Where'd the negative go? Why'd you
Bro,
put the
it
negative
didn't
up
Yo,
leave.
your
switch the
ass?
top.
Look
Switch
at
the
the
top.
numerator denominator, bro. It didn't
I
leave.
switch the variables, and that's the same as.
Oh, okay.
Yo,
I
yo,
didn't see
this
that.
man
Now-
Nico's a
Alright.
calculator, bro.
Yo, you gotta drop, bro. It's not too late. Actually, it is.
It is way too late.
Yeah, fam.
The-
Cooper Union will be knowing about this.
Bro, we are EDing there. Don't worry.
You mean we did ED there?
Yeah. Oh yeah, my bad. What deadline came up. I already did it. Yeah.
Yeah, like 30 minutes. What can I talk about for 30 minutes straight?
Yo, Gian,
Read
when
this
when me
supplement?
when me and you get into Cooper Union and Nico doesn't, you trying to be like roommates?
Yeah, let's go. Yo,
Wait, where'd the 1 minus come from?
Nico, are you
That's I
stupid, bro?
divided
What
this.
fractions?
I divided it. I divided this.
What?
VT over
Oh,
VT
and
is
you
1.
and then you get the equation.
Negative
Oh
V
my
over VT.
God.
Oh nah, no way.
Bro, shut up! Holy shit! This guy can't even explain my question without you two retards. My God, bro.
Yo, what'd you just say?
You two
Yeah.
idiots,
Yo,
bro.
Cooper
Yo,
Union.
I just caught you saying a slur on YouTube, bro.
It's already.
My bad.
You've all been caught saying it. It makes no difference.
Wait, why'd Gian get
Because
demoted now?
bro, because okay, let's finish the question for Nico, and then you guys can talk all you want. Okay, so does this make sense? So this says v, but it's actually v in terms of time. Like this is not multiplied; it's a function of time. So now we can plug in
Okay.
any time, and also like this is still what is it? What was it? Mg over b, I believe.
Yeah, MG over B. Yeah.
So like if we need to recall back, if we need to find it.
And that's just if you're solving for that. Okay. But I'm still confused on where the 1 minus comes from.
Okay, the 1 minus, yeah. So this fraction, let's just we have a VT, right? We have VT minus V over VT. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can rewrite this as VT over VT minus V over VT, right? Does that make
Yeah.
sense? Separating the fraction.
Oh yeah.
That's equal
Okay,
to
yeah,
1
yeah.
minus V over VT. All right. So this is our
Oh, okay. I
this
got
is
it.
our final. All right. Does this all make sense now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let Gian go or whatever. Okay. Let me allow them monkeys to talk. I'm sorry if my microphone's crunchy. It's because it's in very bad condition.
Yo, this is ridiculous. Like,
Yo, I'm starting my own study server, bro.
Because you can't stop talking. I don't know why anyone would join that unless they're like want to do bad.
Yo, chill, bro.
yo,
That was fucked up.
yo,
Like,
Zach, that's crazy stuff, bro.
Life is messed up. I don't know what to do.
Gian, look at JT's reaction on that GIF in the general chat.
Let me see. Oh my god. Hi, Connor.
Like,
Gian, what is this picture of Hadi, bro? Where
Yo,
do you
Nico.
get this stuff?
Yo,
Where do you
Nico.
get this stuff?
Like, we all apply Cooper Union, bro.
yo, even Connor got that.
All right, bro.
Yo,
You
Nico.
did not do that.
You actually applied to.
Yo, Nico, we all apply Cooper Union.
This guy just searched up something on Common App.
Yo, you wanna see? Wait, is there something on the Common App? Oh, it says my name.
Wait,
It says,
Gian, you did early action there?
nah, ED, bro. ED.
That is not ED, bro.
Yo, look, like it says my name at the top.
Where's the ED at?
Ethan.
Yeah.
You're not only applying to 8 colleges though. I already know that.
No, that's because I didn't apply on the Common.
Yeah. Shut up. Shut
Yo.
up. Bro.
Nah, but he
Yo,
did submit it though.
Yeah, like you don't see it? It's at the bottom.
Wait, Gian, where's your EA at?
EA? Binghamton.
Oh yeah. and you did ED to Cooper Union. No, that's
Yeah,
Zach,
ED Cooper Union.
what's up.
Oh my god, Connor's here. I think
Is there-
Connor's
is
more
there a
help
question?
than me.
yeah?
Connor, would you join my study server over JT's?
No.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Already.
Is there resistive forces tomorrow too?
All right.
Yo,
Yo.
when Connor gets that derivation question, it's over, bro.
What's the derivation question?
Nah, we're not doing this again. Just go on the notes, bro. It's literally the same thing.
Which one?
It's like around page
Which
70
one?
something, I think.
It's around page 67.
No,
I lucky to remember.
Nico Berklejaka, can you please stop trying to aura farm in my Discord call?
It's actually called clip farming, not aura farming.
Can you please stop trying to clip farm in my Discord call?
Yo, Nico, I told you, like we all applied Cooper Union.
Yo,
Oh, wait,
Connor,
yo.
Connor, you did Cooper Union, right?
GT, how does that work? How does
course.
DU equal negative
wait,
B over
Nico, look.
MDV?
You could check, like in the left corner, you can see my
Bro,
name.
Nico, just don't do you sub. Like that's it. Just don't do it.
What's that?
You're not even applying to RPI. Why would you?
Yes, I am, bro.
Bro.
Why'd you get on my
Gian,
list?
wait, Gian, what are the 6 that you haven't submitted?
I don't know.
Yeah, huh?
Your apps.
Yo, don't worry about the other 6 because those are all regular decision.
Yo, last minute type of guy could not be me, bro.
But it doesn't matter because I'm banking on the ED Cooper Union.
All right, bro.
Okay. I feel like Nico could get in. Not bad. Yo,
Well,
Nico,
well,
what's the acceptance rate for ED?
I don't know what the engineering school had a high acceptance rate. It was like 23% or something.
All right, so 23% Gian gets in over you.
No, but I don't know if that was ED. I don't know
nah,
what ED.
but the
rates
mine's
are.
like, because it's me, it's like 80% added to that.
Oh yeah.
So it's like 100% plus like 3% chance they just give me a full ride.
All
Yeah,
right,
but
all right.
Nico's low key a diversity hire. No Croatians have ever gone to college, bro.
Yeah, that's low key facts though.
I know, bro. I'm only racist when it comes to facts, bro.
No, but honestly, my parents, my dad, my mom has her master's.
Oh fuck. So
Bro.
you're not first gen? That sucks.
My mom has her master's in
Wait,
computer
Gian, are you first
science.
gen?
Bro, you think my parents have gone to college? They can't even speak English.
Yeah, but they could have gone to college
Alright.
in Korea.
I'm pretty sure. Actually, I know my mom didn't. I don't know about my dad.
Bro, how do you not know your own parents? Like, it's actually diabolical. Bro, even my grandparents that's in.
Jesus,
I
holy
didn't hear a
lag.
single thing you said.
Holy lag.
Wait, what? Yo, is JT like just doing it?
Yes. And I'm trying to pay attention. I just hear 2 idiots Yap. And
Yo,
yap.
Yo, Nico, what you got on the
We're
last test,
three or
buddy?
two?
Yappa, yappa, yappa.
Yo, Nico,
Like a
didn't Connor get a
rat.
better grade than you?
Shut up. I was clip farming. I told you, bro.
You got a 67 on a quiz, bro.
Yeah, on
Max Lemon got
purpose.
an 100
I
on
was
that. If
I
Max
was
Lemon gets
clip
an 100 and you
farming.
get a 67, leave, bro.
I was clip
Yeah,
farming.
I got 100 on that too. I'm so smart.
No, you didn't,
Did
bro.
you get a question wrong?
On the quiz? No,
0? Oh, shit. So you did better than Davo.
The quiz like afterwards.
bro. Of course I did better than Davo. Who you think I
Oh,
am,
Davo
bro?
got 100, but he got one wrong.
Yeah, I got 100 with none wrong.
JT probably got 100 as well.
I also had all the answers, but
Yeah,
you fucking, bro, you would have got like a 30, bro.
nah, I probably would have gotten at least a 90 without.
You would have got a 90 like me.
Yeah, probably.
And you're going to get a 90 tomorrow, probably.
Nah, bro, I always fumble on the quizzes. Tests
On the
I lock in.
quizzes?
Yes,
Tests I'd never lock, bro.
bro, the quizzes are my lowest grade.
Dude, I'm just
Bro,
going to let myself
Bro,
not do well
the
because I don't
calculus
understand
quiz,
you.
that was one of my lowest.
Are you dead ass,
Really?
bro?
What'd you
I was-
get?
Yes, I got like a
100 on that.
90. I got like a 92 or something.
All right,
That's
bro.
not, that's not even
Oh, that
wrong.
was my lowest.
Oh, no,
Shut up.
you're 92.
You know, Nico probably did better than that.
No, I actually didn't. I got a
Dumbass.
85 on that one.
How the fuck do you get an 85 on that? So easy.
Yo, Zach, what'd you get on vector quiz?
I have no idea. I look, you forgot.
Exactly.
I don't even know what I got on any quiz, bro. I don't have power school. I just think I did good enough where like I'm not gonna drop out and I'm not gonna be like 100
JT's just doing it, but he's gonna explain the whole thing, right?
There's nothing to explain. Just do it the other way.
Zach, there's nothing
don't
to
use yourself.
explain. It's
Yo,
a
which
whole...
AP classroom stuff should I study? Unit
Nico,
2?
you don't have to need. That's just extra work that he's doing. All right, JT, can we move on from this? Because like it's getting redundant.
Zach, yo, who are you?
I had a
are
question
you?
about maybe let's see, gravitational forces combined with centripetal force. When it's like when it's like a rotating planets or whatever.
Don't you just do the gravitational force equals the centripetal force?
Yeah, but
Yes.
can you do one?
Maybe you should find a question first, Zachary.
Yeah, maybe find
I
a
don't
question
have
curse.
questions. All right, do question 2 on the AP classroom for centripetal
Wait,
motion.
is there center or mass tomorrow?
No. Are you out of your mind?
Why is multiple
because-
people ask me this?
Yo, because I opened the progress check and that's the first question.
Well, I mean, it is all of unit
No,
2.
the progress check is not for tomorrow, you tard.
No, the unit 2 progress check.
Yeah, that's not for
Mr.
tomorrow.
Huang said it's starting to become cumulative, so at some point you're gonna have to still know how to do that.
Bro,
Uh-oh.
that's not on it tomorrow, bro.
Probably not.
I asked him on the Zoom, and he said, "I said, is it just gonna be the same
What
as the
AP
quiz?"
classroom did you want? There's multiple, and I got like crappy
Yeah, centripetal
stores.
force one,
Did I do that one?
or the circular motion one. I don't know what it's called. I guess circular.
Okay, yeah, I see it. Which question,
I don't know. Just do a random one.
bro?
What is this Diddy blood doing on the calculator?
Yeah, Nico, get out, bro.
His blood.
Yeah, just get out, bro.
Yeah, and you said wartards.
Watch
Yeah,
your mouth.
and honestly, Nico, can we mute him and get him out, JT? Because like that's way
Yeah, I
more
do.
distracting than me and Gino. Right now.
Which question? None of these are like.
There was one that was hard. Like I think it
How
was
would I
question
know?
3.
I haven't done them.
I think it was
Yeah,
question 3.
dumbass.
Question 3.
Let me check question 3 and then see. Like go to there.
Okay.
No, 4. Oh yeah, wait, 3. I didn't get 3.
Okay, two small blocks P and Q rotate without slipping on a horizontal disk. With block P being twice as far from the rotational axis as block Q. The blocks are made of the same material, and block P is half the mass of block Q. As the disk increases in speed, which will be the first to begin to slide on the disk's surface. Okay. So
Oh, wait.
FF, what was it? Force of friction of block.
Is
made of
MV
the same
squared overall?
material. Block P is half the mass. FFP is 1/2 FF force of friction of block Q. Okay. So essentially, like, let's see, without slipping.
Wait, so force of friction is the centripetal force, right?
Technically, yes. I guess.
So it's equal to mv squared over r, but it's also equal to mu Fn at the max.
One sec. R.
Wait, what is this? F.
Yo, how do you do the shell theory stuff? Shell theory.
He said he's not testing on that for the multiple choice.
Yeah, he
For
put
the
that on the
multiple
last
choice.
one.
Yeah.
Oh,
But that could
yeah.
be
I
I
know
asked
it's
him,
on
like-
last course, but like
I asked him like,
didn't know how to do it.
no. FRQs is resistance, but he said like, I asked him, is there gonna be multiple choice about shelter? And he's like, probably not. So like, don't worry about it.
Wait, where'd you get a 1/2 force of?
I'm reading the
says it in the
question.
question, bro.
Reading the question.
Oh,
Stupid.
okay.
Okay.
It's basically asking like, what affects the centripetal? Wait, no, sorry. What affects the velocity, right?
Which block will begin to slide on the disk surface? Which will
Is
be
that supposed to
first?
be mu?
Where? I don't have a mu. That's a
On-
Q.
No,
Yeah.
the thing next to the.
Yeah.
That's radius
no,
R.
yeah.
Oh, that says R.
Yeah, I don't write R's very well. How do you write
What
an
the
R?
Like
Yeah,
that.
Nico, how do you think about that Mamdani election?
I'm not speaking on any political things on a live stream.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, my bad. What about that New Jersey gubernatorial election?
Uh, it's the same thing, you
What
dunce.
do you, wait, what? It's not the same thing, bro. Oh yo, JT, why do you gotta be live streaming this? Like no one watches that, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
But
I
they
watch it.
literally do, and also it's recorded, so you can go back to the question. And also because I
Yeah,
don't
but,
want
like,
you saying stupid stuff, and you
Then
still
I have
say
to
it
censor
anyways.
myself. And Nico's right. We should not be talking about politics. I apologize for that. I'm neutral politically.
No, you're not.
Shut up,
Yes,
you
I am.
infidel.
What?
Anyways, go on.
So how do we do this? Force of friction, I guess, is the
I don't got any
central.
more questions. I'll just watch the live stream.
Okay.
All right, have fun.
No, bro. This kid's cooked, bro. He's not watching that live.
Okay. Also,
So force of friction is mv squared over r, right?
one sec. Block MP.
What is this, duty blood?
I'm just writing out what it says. Okay. Force of friction.
Blood.
So
Let's see.
mg equals mv squared over r. Yeah. So let's see.
Mm.
So g equals v squared.
Wait, why mg? Isn't it ff?
Mu, but the mu is the same for both of them. They're the same material, so it's really irrelevant. It also has no units, so it's technically mu. But yeah, but we don't need it.
Oh, right. No, that's fair.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's set this
So
up.
it's just like the square root of r mu g.
So
is the
for
velocity.
block Q,
Let max in.
yeah, okay. Block Q.
Can you guys
Tech-
hear me?
Also, do
Okay,
you know what
cool.
this tells us? This tells us it's independent of mass.
Yes. So it can't. It's not gonna. Okay, so we're only looking at radius, and we know that p
So
is 2 more than
block
all. A
Q is
or q. Sorry, q.
Q, and then for block P,
What is this cutie blood doing on the calculator? Is blood on
Stop.
sun? What is? Oh my bad. That was Nico. Yeah, Nico, you gotta stop, bro.
is 2RQ. So what's it asking as the disk increases speed, which will be the first block? Okay. How do we go from here?
Don't you just solve for v?
Do we? I don't know. Probably. Let's see. V equals rad GRQ. I'm not sure.
The first to begin sliding means the first to surpass mu fn. No.
I guess technically, yeah. So when does it surpass?
When
Yeah, I guess so. So I guess what we're actually saying here is the force of friction is it's less than or equal to v squared over r. Okay. So given that, so like this, so we have assuming everything's positive, let's rewrite it this way. We have GRQ squared. Okay. But to get this, we're using this equation. Let's see where it's listed. force of friction is less than or equal to force of normal. So it can be less than or equal to the, I guess, the max. Okay, so then 2RQ G is greater than or equal to V squared. So I think the obvious answer here is that like V can get a lot bigger for block P without slipping, and it still satisfies this what do we want to call this, inequality?
So bigger radius can have a bigger velocity before it
Well,
slips.
I wouldn't generalize because like that's just in this situation. Okay. So which block
Why?
will begin to
Wait,
slip?
why can't you generalize that?
Because like this
Because
is just
mass
one
is
this
independent.
because this is one situation and it's not always
Relax,
gonna be the
bro.
case because you don't stop talking.
Bro, Zach, you have an issue. You gotta
That was
shut your
a
mouth.
regular valid question. I don't know what
Because
you mean,
you
bro.
asked like 4 follow-ups that added nothing to the previous question.
That's not even true. I literally helped JT get on the right track, bro.
Oh,
JT vouch for that, bro.
exactly.
That's not even how you spell inequality, but I think it's okay. So like since this has a big, it's compared to a bigger thing, the V can get bigger here without exceeding it, without falsifying this inequality. So that means that I believe the correct answer is that Q is gonna slip first.
Oh wait, no. I remember it being B in ChatGPT.
B, there's no B.
Question B. Like answer B.
Question B. Nice one, stupid.
Let's see.
Okay, bro. I'm just saying I think that's wrong.
It might be. I don't know.
Yo, Max, can you stop
Okay,
humbling,
so
bro?
we know it's independent of mass, and let's see. P is twice as far.
Wait, what chat say?
Oh, I don't know.
I could be wrong, bro.
It might
Here,
be.
you know what?
Well, I
I'll
actually,
do it right now.
it does
Here,
make
wait, wait, wait.
sense because it's it is, what is it? What do I want to call it? It's farther away, so it's gonna get to the edge sooner. Oh, wrong thing.
Here, I'll tell you right now. Chat says it is B.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. So let's figure out where we went wrong then.
Can we just ask chat where we went wrong?
No. Okay, block P is twice as far. Oh, okay. So this is correct. This is twice as far. Let's see. Why is that the case? I don't know why that is the case. I'll be honest. Where I went wrong, like I don't know.
Yeah, all right. Next, can we just go over the whole circular motion quiz?
The whole
There was no circular motion
This
quiz.
is the circular motion quiz, dude. on the
Oh, I
screen.
thought he meant like actual quiz.
Wow, Zach, good job.
Yo, guys, you notice how I'm not being disruptive at all?
Well, I just asked a simple question. Zachary likes to be disruptive.
No, this was a difficult question, and it's confusing. So I'm allowed to ask about it.
Here, you want me to see what chat says about this question?
Sure.
Can you go back to that tab?
Oh, I think I did put this inequality the wrong way, technically. So that's.
Oh. Yeah, because it's asking which one like exceeds it first,
That's
right?
not why I put the inequality the wrong way. It's just not what the formula says. So this is
Oh
this
no.
this is the force of friction, and it's got to be greater than or
Right.
equal to mu Fn or whatever.
Never mind. Yo, chat uses omega in this.
Oh, because it's using rotational. We'll learn that later on, like quarter 2, or rather.
Oh wait, so we
maybe in
can't ask
mechanics.
this.
You could do it in a different way. I wouldn't. Do
But
it
no,
the
he's
way-
not gonna ask something like that.
Bro.
Why?
Oh
On
my
the AP
god.
question, it's fair game.
Yo, look in the group chat. Matthew asked if the test includes friction. Poor guy.
Technically, it doesn't, right?
What?
Well,
No, it
yes,
does.
it does. Like in a
What?
case like this, it does. But like,
In every other case, it does also. Like what?
no. When else are you encountering friction other than something like this?
What?
Um,
On a surface.
No, but like we can't. He said we're not doing band curves with friction. He said we're not
An
doing
object sliding
like
down
only
a surface.
centripetal could technically have friction. You can't do it on the rest of them.
What? You can do it on flat
Only
surfaces if you push an object.
Yeah, but he said he's not. What? Yeah, that's part of centripetal motion, bro.
Bro, if you push an object on a if you have a flat surface and
Yes,
you have
but
a
that's not
block,
being tested, bro.
why not? That's a resistive force.
Yeah, he's right.
Yeah, I would not bet on not being tested on that because it's such a
But
simple
that's easy
question.
though.
Okay, great. So,
Okay, Zach, doesn't mean it's not gonna be tested.
Like
You
nothing
dunce.
hard with frictions being
You're
tested.
actually so like unbelievably
Bro,
disruptive
why are you rage
and
baiting me, bro?
awful. It's not even funny.
You got a 67 on the quiz.
And that has nothing to do with you nonstop talking.
I mean, bro, I'm not gonna lie. You're probably second loudest in physics. I wasn't even stuttering, you piece of shit, bro. Go back to Croatia. Zagreb's calling you right now.
I can't. Whatever. I can't think about this right now. I'm tired. So what this says is that like V can get smaller without, I guess, breaking this inequality. If the V gets too small, it doesn't even make sense. I think it did make more sense the other way. Whatever. We'll just pretend we got this.
Yeah, it's
I have
fine.
I have a
Let's get rolling.
question
What was
on
it?
a different.
Do you know the justification for this?
Here, I'll tell you right
I
now.
would just say it's independent of mass, and like it's already closer to the edge, so it's gonna go off sooner. But
Wait, can you conceptually explain that? I don't understand.
dude, it's
Like math aside.
basically they're both getting pushed off at the same rate, but one is closer to
Mhm.
the edge.
The edge of
Oh.
what?
The edge of the
Edge of this-
disc, like the entire question was about.
Oh, because the radius is smaller?
Well,
Or
because
bigger?
one is closer to the edge, it says the radius is bigger. It's closer to the edge.
So it says the force that keeps the blocks rotating is this static friction force, and then which provides necessary FC centripetal force, and then it says static friction force max is equal to mu s Fn, and then in this case Fn equals mg. Then it goes the centripetal force is FC equals m omega squared r. And then it goes from there.
Ask
And
it
it
to do it
says-
without using angular kinematics.
Has to do with translational velocity.
Yeah, with translation.
All right, bro. It just did the exact same thing.
Man, GPT.
Dude, it did. I said don't do it.
Yo, we
I said
are getting
do it
replaced, bro.
without. I said do it without angular kinematics, and then it proceeds to use centripetal acceleration, and then use omega r squared over r.
Okay, I understand now. So look at this. I think I understand. Wait. So let's say we're at some random velocity. Basically,
Oh, it did it.
basically the velocity has to be a lot higher for this one for p to satisfy the equation. It's like it needs to get much higher for it to actually be satisfied, meaning there's a lot more space in which it's gonna like not satisfy the equation. Because
Well,
like
because the R value is higher, the V has to be a lot higher for it to actually slip.
to be sufficient friction, static friction. So yeah, basically it's saying any time where v is less than this, it's gonna slip. So that means there's a lot greater of a range. So v could be from so v is from 0 to rad 2 r0g. If v is anywhere along there, it's gonna slip, right? Whereas this one is just 0 to rad r0 rqg. So like meaning it has less of a space in which it'll slip. Like, because once we go this way, no slipping, right? Or I think. Actually,
So it slips when V is less than.
Actually, I don't know. I don't know anymore.
No, that makes
Alright,
sense.
it says for block Q, V squared Q is greater than mu S GR Q. And then for block P, V squared P is greater than mu S and then GR of P. So
GR mu S 2 GR.
oh yeah, mu S G2 G.
And what's
2
the
R.
reason? How does the inequality explain
Um,
which slips first?
It goes. So it says that then it goes to v squared over r is greater than mu s g, and then you plug that in. So for block Q, v squared q over rq is greater than mu s g, and then for block P, it's 2v squared over rq. I have no idea what the hell.
That's
It explains it weird.
Yo, not gonna lie, let's move on, bro.
okay.
Yeah, I think it's. Can you go to the resistive forces quiz?
Yeah. All right. One sec.
JT, how hard do you think this test is gonna be compared to the other tests?
Oh, let me.
Yo,
7.5.
Did he make the test, bro? Did he make the test?
Not in this class.
Only in ComSci.
I don't make the tests in any class. Which one did you want
Okay,
to do?
but if you were to, it would be ComSci.
Resistive forces quiz, the one you're over right now. Go to question 4.
An object of mass m is released from rest to near and a resistive force of negative. Okay. Where that's normal. V is in meters per second. What is the change in speed? Yeah. Okay. So like resistive mg equals kv. We're finding our terminal velocity, because so vt equals mg over k.
Wait, why are you finding terminal
Because I'm
velocity?
setting up that equation we use every single time.
No.
1 minus e to the negative whatever. What was it?
K over m
B,
t.
it was kt over m. Alright.
Zach. Shh.
Oh,
Let's see. Okay. So now we have this equation. This is v of t. And
Yeah.
so we want v of 4m over so equals. So now we gotta do vt evaluated from 4m over k. This means evaluated at, right? To m over k.
Yeah.
So let's plug this in. We get mg over k 1 minus e to the negative, what is that? To the negative 4. When we plug it in.
So you plug that in for t, right?
Yeah. Negative
Okay.
4, and then we do minus mg over k. So this is like why you would memorize this derivation.
Yeah.
Okay. This is just minus 1. Alright. Let's do this. I'm gonna factor that out. 1 minus 1 minus e to the negative 4 plus e to the negative 1. That's from subtracting this from that. So now when we simplify it once more, mg over k e to the negative 1. Let's see if any of these are correct. Minus e to the negative 4. Okay, so what could happen here is something, and I wouldn't know what that something is. Let's check these. Yeah, okay. So check this out. Let's say what we can do is we can pull out an e to the, I believe we pull out an e to the negative 4. We're going to factor out e to the negative 4. So we get e to the negative 4 mg over k. Okay. So if we pull out a negative 4 from that, it's going to become e to the 3. If we pull out a negative 4 to that, it's going to become 1. Now, we can, since it's a negative 4, we can bring this here and make it a positive. So we get mg over k e3 minus 1 over e to the 4.
E4. Okay.
Let's see if is that an option? Yes, that's an option.
Yeah.
So it's so nice and peaceful here. Hate to ruin the peace and quiet.
All right, yeah, that's the only question I had on the resistive forces one. I mean, go to the question after that.
still
I
don't
think
have
it's
a good
just-
justification for the other question.
Is that just the derivation straight up?
Let's see. What is the expression for v? Is moving horizontally, so no.
Oh, okay. So how do you do that?
So let's find out. So fnet. Is there friction here? No.
Mm,
Gravity's negligible as well. Okay, so fnet equals ma equals we'll make it negative kv. I think that'll work. So yeah, that makes sense. So a equals negative k v for m. Now
Wait, where's the mg?
we divided by there's no mg. It's because it's horizontal.
Bro, it's
Oh,
horizontal,
okay.
not
Okay,
dropping.
okay.
I don't need your words, please.
Thanks, Zach. Shut up now.
No problem.
Okay. So let's see. So now this is dv over dt equals negative k v over m. The only thing we're gonna now make this dv equals negative k v over m dt. Now we're gonna pull out this v because we want it in terms of v. So now we have 1 over v dv equals negative k over m dt. Now we're gonna integrate from initial velocity and initial time to current velocity and current time. So our bounds will be, let me actually let me move this over. Oh, that was the eraser. That was not beneficial. So our bounds will be basically the initial velocity it said was v0 to current velocity. What are we finding for expression of v? Yes, so current velocity. It's an expression for current velocity. In terms of initial time is it's just said it was 0 to current time. Great. So now this is gonna become ln of if we plug in for v of v minus ln of v0. And then when we plug in for here, it's gonna become t times that negative kt over m. Because this integral evaluates the negative kt over m plus c. But then when we subtract those two, it becomes that. Okay. Now
Okay,
log
yeah.
property. What?
Hey,
That makes
JT,
sense.
deriving for velocity.
It is asking for velocity. Yeah. Negative kt over m. Now,
But isn't it the general formula?
no, because this one's horizontal. So, like, there's multiple
Oh,
formulas.
Oh, wait.
so
Is that the log rule? Whenever you're subtracting logs, you just put them
Yes,
over
yeah,
each other?
yeah.
Okay.
V over v0 equals e to negative kt over m. And this one also has an initial velocity, so that makes it different. So now we get v as a
Oh.
function of time. Like this is shorthand for v of t. V of t.
Okay.
Not to be confused with v sub t or vt, which is terminal velocity. That there's
Oh, okay.
yeah. So vt equals v0 e to the negative kt.
Ah,
that
okay.
an
This is actually
option?
starting to make sense. Yeah, it's the first option.
Nice. I'm glad I
This is
hopefully got that
starting-
right.
This is starting to make sense.
All right. So this one
Yes,
looks like
sure.
what?
Huh?
Let's try this real quick.
Oh yeah, how do you do this? I have
Wait, not this
no
one. Let's try
idea.
this real quick, just in case it's on it. mg, and we have
Oh.
the force of drag.
No,
is gonna
Nico,
be-
this is easier than it looks. Trust.
We're
Okay.
doing this first, not this question. We're not doing this yet.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
So let's see. Fnet equals ma equals mg minus bv squared. Okay.
Yep.
A equals g minus bv squared.
PV squared
M.
over
Also,
M.
let's solve for terminal velocity real quick. So this is when ma is equal to 0, net force is 0. So
Okay.
bv squared equals mg. So v, if we rearrange it, equals rad mg over b.
Hmm.
Okay.
That's all in the radical. V is t terminal.
Zach.
Can you like mute yourself?
Oh my.
Okay. Oh my god, he's a monkey, bro. Okay, so dv over dt equals actually. So what we're gonna let's do this, right? We're gonna factor.
Okay.
Do we need to factor? I don't think factoring here is beneficial to us. dv over dt equals g bv v squared over m. We might actually be forced to use u sub here, which would be interesting to see.
Okay.
So dv equals g minus bv squared, all of that over m dt. All right. So yeah, I think we're gonna have to do u sub. So we have 1 over g
Over.
minus bv squared over m dv equals dt. Okay, let's try u sub. So we're gonna let u equal g minus bv squared v squared over m. So if we differentiate du over d, oh, that doesn't look like my u. Du over dv, it's gonna be
Mhm.
equal to negative 2. Oh boy, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this because I'm so trash at integrals. So that's u. Okay, and we want
Oh, you integrate and you take the derivative.
So-
I totally forgot that step. That's why I was confused.
yeah, this is not. Max may need to tell me how to do this because,
Isn't.
but let me do it first. So we want to
Wait,
get it.
can I-
In, what?
Wait, can you hear me?
Yes,
What
unfortunately,
Yeah.
You're trying to do that
we're
integral?
just doing an integral. So we have to actually get v in terms of u.
Wait, I think you're
So-
solving for right now? Sorry.
We're doing a terminal velocity. Negative m over b. Negative m equals v. So I don't know that he would ever ask us this. So let's say, so du equals negative 2b over m times negative m over b u minus g. I think that cancels out.
What the?
Yeah, we're plugging in again. So dv. So du equals 2 u. That's not a u. That's hardly a u. 2u minus 2g dv. So like I don't think he will ask this. So if we take this
Okay.
if we take I really hope not. 1 over u, because that's what we said u is equal to, du, and we
Yeah.
have du is equal to all of this dv. So
Mhm.
that becomes 2u minus 2g. I don't know that I made this integral work
Wait, why is that over?
because basically 1 over 2u minus 2g equals du equals dv. So like
Uh-huh.
so we're
Oh,
basically
because that's you're solving for on the other
we
side.
want it to
Okay.
be du, but we have a dv here, so we're saying dv is equal to all of this.
Mhm. Alright,
So
got it,
like
got it,
I
got
don't
it.
know what I'm doing, but that's cool. No one cares. So I was thinking actually, you can technically there's an integral. You can pull out 1/2. So you get 1/2 1 over u minus g. And unfortunately, what I'm about to do is stupid. And I believe we have to do partial fraction decomposition.
Alright.
which we learned in algebra 2, I believe. Let's see if it works. U minus g. So we get 1 equals au minus ag. And we're doing equating coefficients.
Alright.
And plus
Yeah, bro.
bu.
This is algebra 2. This is
So
algebra 2.
technically it is equals a plus b if we're factoring in terms of u minus ag. So this is technically also says, look, 0u plus. So look, these are both u instead of x, right? So a plus b
Yeah.
has to be equal to 0, and 1. This is a constant. This is a constant as well. So let's try this. So 1 equals negative ag. 1 equals negative ag, and we know that a plus b equals 0. So now we solve this. A equals negative 1 over g, and b equals 1 over g. Plugging that in. Oh my god. Who decided to do
I stopped listening. I'm not gonna lie.
Also, yeah, that's okay.
If he asks this, I'm just gonna look at the page and give up.
Also, the bounds for this were from 0 to v. So now we have to transform these. We have to plug in v into there. So the bounds for this are g minus bv squared over m. I think something like that. I don't know, but whatever floats my boat, right? Okay. So how do we do this now? Now we have two integrals. Oh my god, this is horrible. So we have negative 1 over gu plus 1 over gu minus g. And so that's two integrals, so you can break them up into separate integrals from g to g minus bv squared over m. Okay, equals t from the integral from before. Oh my god, kill me. Okay. So we're actually going to factor out a 1 over g. So 1 over 2g. And then this is a negative y. Interesting. Let's hope this works. Negative ln u from g to g minus bv squared. Max, am I doing this correct?
Let me see. Okay. So, actually, this is my question. Why do you integrate from g to g minus bv squared over m?
Okay,
What's the,
basically
like,
because at first we're integrating from
Oh,
0 to
oh my
v,
God. Oh
But
no.
but then we say that u is equal to this, so we want these to be in terms of u, so we plug in v as 0 to get u of 0, u when v is 0, u of v. So look, we have to transform our bounds. They're 0 and
Hold on.
v.
Hold here. I'm so confused.
Okay, this is our differential equation. Okay, whatever, Graydon.
Here.
So this is our differential equation from 0 to v, where v is the current velocity at any given time, and 0 is the starting. So since we're
Yeah.
using u sub, we have to transform the integrands, the bounds, right?
Yeah.
So we plug in v is 0, we plug it into there for u, and then we plug in v as v for
Okay, yeah, you're doing it right.
yeah.
You're doing it right.
Okay, let's see if I can solve this. I don't think I can, but okay. What was the next one? U minus g from g to g minus bv squared v squared over m. Okay, 1 over 2g. I don't want to do all this. Why would I do all this? Negative ln of, it's technically 1 minus bv squared v squared over mg. Okay, I think something like that. And then this is plus ln of, wait, that's g minus g, that's undefined. Huh. Okay, so we have some things that clearly don't work here. So when things don't work, oh, you know why? It's because it can never actually reach that value, I believe. Okay, so when things don't work, we give up and we do a different question. So that was pointless, as Graydon said. But the lesson learned here is that, like, you won't ever be asked that because all the kids would just jump off a bridge.
Lesson learned is that does not matter whatsoever.
Yeah, something like that.
JT, can you do a circular motion problem that is gravitational as well?
What is wrong with your microphone?
Well, send me a question and I can do it.
Yeah,
I
Zach,
don't know at the top of
find
my
one.
head, but like,
Well, I don't either.
for example, what if like, can we do like based off real data, like the sun rotating or like Earth rotating around
Okay,
the
but
sun?
that's not that's elliptical, not circular.
Just assume it's circular, bro.
Then how is it real data?
I don't know. I just wanted to
Oh,
learn.
wait,
I just
how do
want to know
you
how to do it.
Oh,
didn't
Max,
he
by the
say
way,
he's
Max,
Yeah.
the way
Yeah.
you do it oh, that's not even simple, is you use hyperbolic arctan.
Oh hell no.
Bro, what are we talking about?
Oh,
bro?
for that integral?
It's
So
physically,
Mr.
it's
Huang
not
would never give us
multivariable.
BV squared, okay? Because you You enter a place that you never exit.
All right. So wait, JT, I'm pretty sure he said that the derivation tomorrow is gonna be like a circular motion derivation.
Okay,
So like, what would that look like?
like a, I don't know. It could ask. Well, that's
Wait, no,
optional.
no, he didn't say that. He said
I'm pretty sure he did.
for the next test.
The next test doesn't
This
have
is the
circular
next
motion.
test.
No. Like work, power, energy. Even though it's separate, I think he said that. I don't know.
No. I'm pretty sure he said for this one because he said he's not gonna put the normal derivation on there because we've done
A
it so many
circular
times.
motion derivation. What does that even
Yeah.
mean?
What the G, MEM
That the centrip. Wait.
Or like one with like mv squared over r.
MO
And
B
there
squared.
No, the derivation is simply is air resistance. It's not circular motion.
V squared. Yeah, and you could do like 2 pi r over t if you want to. So you get G ME equals r 2 pi r.
It's not a derivation, is it?
Well, this is technically deriving an equation, right?
Yeah, but that's not
Where can I
today. I
find
don't think.
practice questions?
What happened?
Where can I find practice questions?
I have no AP,
AP
classroom,
classroom.
maybe.
Oh, Graydon said he wants to speak. Let him in.
Yeah, he finally has words. Okay, you can like do the. Let's do this one.
Oh, finally.
My bad, bro. I didn't see it because I'm actually like writing that.
Nico, you're wrong.
What do you mean
What?
I'm wrong?
Zach is right.
Oh,
Yeah,
Tomorrow's
okay.
he said, I
my bad.
swear he
tomorrow's
said
test
he said us on the
tom-
next one.
tomorrow's test is derivation of velocity function.
No, but
Oh,
this
okay.
this could be on it though. This could be what JT's doing right now. could
Yeah,
be on it.
but it's not gonna be. Oh yeah, can we do this question that I sent?
Planet X is okay. Planet X is in a circular orbit around star A. Planet Y is in. Okay, the radius of planet X is twice the radius of planet Y. The period. Okay, yeah. So we have to do that. Man. So we have to do that again. So G. So like FG equals FC. GM So S is gonna be S is star, MP is the planet. Mind you, the planet's orbit around the star. Okay, R squared equals M. This is M star, massive star. MV squared over R, right? That's the equation, I believe.
Yeah.
V squared over R. Okay, R squared R
Wait, who
cancels
got
M
into
M.
Binghamton today? Completely
What?
unrelated. Who got into Binghamton today?
Zach.
Just that?
Wait, what?
Yeah,
got
because Zach submitted it like a week and a half before the deadline.
Yeah, it's because it was free day.
Wait, Ian did too.
No, it was free day up until November 3rd, bro. You could've done
Max,
it on the
What
Ian,
deadline.
Ian also got it back.
What
Yeah,
happened?
I know. My mom said.
Oh,
Zach, you got into
bro,
Bing
no
already?
way, Tammy's yapping about it already, bro.
I mean,
It's Binghamton. Who gives a fuck, bro?
Watch your math.
My bad. Nico might end up there, but
Okay,
still.
so let's
oh
see.
god.
It's asking for the ratio of star A to star B, to the mass of star A to star B. Okay, so it says planet X's orbit is twice the radius of planet Y's. So let's do planet X. So G, and wait, planet. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna make it mass X for mass of. No, is it? No, star A. Star A corresponds. So this is mass A. Corresponds to star A. Okay, and it says that the radius is twice. Planet X orbit is twice the period of planet Y's. Okay, so 4 pi squared. Twice the radius. Okay.
Wait, sorry, JT. I'm not trying to interrupt. This is the same as like Kepler's law.
8 over
no.
4. Oh yeah, it is 2.
Well,
That does make
Kepler's
sense.
law is about how it sweeps through orbits. I don't know that it's the same.
Isn't it like the formula like r cubed over
2
t,
r to the
like
third.
t squared or whatever?
Okay, shh.
My bad.
Or y cubed over what's it called? What was it? No, I lost
T.
my train of thought.
T.
Twice the period of planet. Of
2t squared.
Ty squared. Okay, now we'll do G
It,
MB right equals 4 pi squared ry cubed over ty squared. Now we just have to like rearrange these like right. So check this.
Well, it's just 2 cubed is 8, 2 squared is 4, so 8 over
Okay,
4
yeah.
is 2.
Basically,
And
all
it's two
these
sides.
when we divide MA over MB, is that what we're doing? MA over MB?
Yeah.
MA over
Ratio
MB.
of A to B.
All these constants cancel out. Those cancel out. Those cancel. RY cancels out. That cancels out. That cancels out. That cancels out. That cancels out. So we have equals 2 cubed over 2 squared equals 2 to the 1 equals 2. Just clarifying for those troubled individuals.
Bro.
I gotta do 2 to the 3 minus 2.
Wait, how'd you get 2 to the 1?
Power, you gotta do power rule.
Are we joking?
Power rules.
So
Yeah, I was
basically,
joking.
so MA over MB cancel out the divide out. So like if we divided these over each other, these would cancel out, you know.
Wait, scroll up a little bit. What's that 2 pi r t? What's that? Is that's
That's a
v
formula for velocity.
That's the same as velocity.
That's
It's like
Okay.
centripetal.
2, Nico, 2 pi r is circumference and t is the period.
Oh yeah, you explained this to me the other day.
you're like Max Lemon not listening when people explain shit to you.
No, I
Nico listens,
listen.
He just
It
forgets.
just doesn't register.
No, Max understands it. He just doesn't listen.
Like it's there. I just have the memory of a goldfish, so I don't remember anything.
I think you'd ask us to derive velocity function for anything but
It's not-
KV.
Okay, it's not going to be.
Oh.
Well, I just started doing the
Yeah.
derivation.
Let's
Yeah,
not do
it's
that.
not
Let's
gonna
not
be
do
b
that.
squared. We know that.
Well, like I
What
just
else could
started
it be?
doing that, and it started like. Wait, this is not even the question. Wait, where did I do it? Did I just like give up and erase it all?
Well, wait, hold up. Sorry, Graydon, what was your question?
What was my question?
No, this isn't even.
I don't know.
Like, what'd you just ask?
Oh, I said, do you think he's gonna ask us to derive velocity function for
Oh, absolutely
anything
not. Look, I
but
started doing it.
KV?
I started doing it down here, and it like exploded, and you have to do partial.
Yeah, I was
fraction
watching. I
decomposition.
was watching.
And ChatGPT's alternative, let me show you this. It uses some trigonometric identities for integrals that I don't even know.
Oh God.
Arctan h, and then you like. So is he going to ask us to do that? Does he want the class to average a 50?
You think Ben would get it?
No.
What if
Ben
he
would
does,
not
like-
get it? He does
Yeah,
not
Ben.
know
I don't think
He
Ben
does
would
not
get
know
it.
the integral identity of arctan h.
What if
Why
it's
are we
like?
assuming that?
But why?
What if it's like
Why do you
KV
care?
minus 7 or something?
If it's what? If it's
I
what
think
minus 7?
That knows that, but
K
there's 100
minus 7. I don't know. Like, what other functions could it be for
Literally
resistive
nothing.
force? I feel like he's mentioned sometimes that they ask different.
Yeah.
Wait,
functions.
No, but if it does that, he'll just ask us to set up the equation but not derive it.
Yeah.
wait,
It
hold
Okay.
on. KM's friction, right?
What is
KM's friction, right?
KM? That's
Bro.
drag. No, what drag? It K
Someone just get this kid out of here.
KV equals drag force.
Yeah, what's KM?
K is a constant.
Nothing.
That's in kgs per second, and velocity it's kV. KM isn't a thing. If you're thinking of K delta X, that's spring constant times displacement, F of a spring.
Oh, like I'm so serious. How do you know all this?
Because I took the class last year, basically.
What do you mean? How does he know
It's
all
on the
this?
reference table.
It's also on the reference table, which I have like.
Yeah, show him the E&M equations.
No. No.
Wait,
Oh,
can I
no.
see?
I low-key want to see this stuff.
It's most actually it does have the same stuff from the other reference table.
There's like low-key like the similar concepts. It's just like you can't visualize it.
Look,
You have
it
to
has the same
just
stuff from the other reference table, but plus some more.
Bro, what am I looking at?
These are
What's up?
I
Yo,
recognize this
why
equation.
why are we obsessed with Greek letters? I hate this.
Because we run out.
Why is
this,
there?
Because
Why is
there's not
there?
enough
yo,
English
is-
letters.
this is
why?
magnetic
Why is there a
flux.
circle?
'cause
Why
this
is
is
there
an
a
What is-
circle in
It's
the
a surface
integral?
integral. It's a
Bro, where's
surface
the
integral.
numbers at, bro?
What is a surface integral?
It's a surface integral. It's basically looking at like, and this is the dot product of the area.
All right,
It's-
don't confuse us, bro.
Yeah, it's basically
Oh,
looking
God.
at how many lines go through a surface, through an object.
Can't wait till we get to
Yeah.
that.
By the time we get there, I'm not locked in at all.
I know that'll be towards the
Yeah,
end.
it's actually commit to
That's
being.
quarter 3.
That's a problem for when I'm already in college and not paying attention.
Probably not Cooper Union though, but it's okay.
All right, yo, Zach, that's enough of you.
All right, wait. Okay, that actually makes sense, JT. Thanks.
Bro,
Okay.
what else is on this test?
Springs. You know the spring rules.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
can we
hold
go
on.
over
Yeah,
that
yeah.
quick?
Well, I
This test
can't
is
hear when you all talk at once.
Max, what is your average right now in physics?
95.
Bro, how do you
Wait, JT, why'd I get a
keep
notification
such a
that
high
you
average
messaged
when you
me on
don't know
Discord?
anything?
I can't hear what you guys talk
I
sometimes.
figure things out on the test.
Okay, bro.
JT,
Seriously.
What?
why'd I get a notification that you messaged me on Discord and then I check and
Oh
you're
yeah, I
deleted?
accidentally sent an invite to a server when I was right-clicking you to remove you from the.
I do that
talking.
all the time.
Yeah. I accidentally
I
sent.
thought you sent me like your nudes and then deleted it.
No, that was yesterday.
All right, bro, my bad. Can you quickly over Springs? Like quickly.
I
Well,
need to ask questions.
let's see how quick we can get.
Same as capacitor rules.
Not exact. Force of it's actually the opposite. I think force of spring Fs equals.
No, it's the opposite of resistor, which is same as capacitor.
Which I never remember them, so I'll
Isn't the
have to.
spring force technically a resisting force?
Yes, that's why there's the negative sign. The negative sign doesn't literally mean it has to be negative. It means it resists. So like, all right. So for two springs in series, right? That's a spring. Then they're connected via a hook and a hook. Then there's another spring, and then a block. Okay. Let's say they're on a surface, right? So these are I can draw a bracket better than a spring. So this is spring
Good
one.
bracket.
What?
Good bracket.
I just did.
No, so it's a
Brace,
good
curly
bracket.
brace. Okay. So what's to note here? Because of Newton's second law, this spring is gonna pull upwards as much as it'll pull downwards. So if we want to look at this as an F net, technically equals, okay, check this. This is gonna be, how do I do? I don't know how to do this appropriately.
Wait, JT. When a car's at the top of a loop, how do you find what the minimum velocity required to contact
Okay,
the loop is?
afterwards. So technically, like, there's only one force here. How do I explain this?
Wait, is this gonna be on the test?
Yeah.
Yes.
So like the
What?
Fs2 equals Fs1 here equals mg. All these forces are equal because basically one spring pulls up as much as the other one as it pushes down. It's just like Newton's third law, equal and opposite reactions. So essentially these forces are going to be equal, but the displacements and spring constants are different. But the displacement totals, so like displacement total, right, equals displacement x1 plus displacement x2. But we know that f total equals fs1 equals fs2. So given this, right, we can rewrite these using the identities. So we have k delta x is equal to so k equals, or the equal, this is called the equivalent spring constant, which means like if we imagine that these springs were merged into a single spring, what would their spring constant be? K equals times delta x total, because that's k delta x is equal to f.
Wait, so the delta x is for each individual is different, but the
Yeah,
forces that it
yes, but
represents is the same.
they each exert the same force for series.
It's the opposite for parallel.
Yeah. So equals, what is this? K1 delta x1. But these are plus. Right. Let me think. I can't think, so we'll just look at the notes.
You did not do this in the notes, bro.
Yes, he did. If
You
did,
didn't. You did not derive it. You just
No, it's
stated
actually
it.
it is derived. Oh, this is not kinematics. It is derived, very much derived. So okay, the total's equal.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Can I say something really quick?
So
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
so technically this is like but these are equal. So f1.
Oh, so he divided them, so the force over k is delta x.
So these are all equal, but these are totals. So how do we rewrite this? I don't know. So this is equal to delta x total is equal to f total.
You can only see this
I know.
slideshow.
But, okay, that's true. But I don't know that it matters because I'm like writing the same exact thing.
Oh.
Like it's not even gonna let me show. Yeah, now the tab is gone. Like just despawned. Okay, so f total is equal over so delta x total f total over k equals is equal to delta x total. It's gonna be equal to now we want to write delta x in terms of this other stuff equals fs or equals f total because technically these are all equal, so this is f total, this is f total, so these are all f total, but the k's are not equal per se over k1 plus f total because this is equal. This is fs1 here, but it's rewritten as f total because they're equal over k2. So we can divide out all the f totals. So if we're in series, we get 1 over k equals 1 over k1 plus 1 over k2. And you could expand this to like 1 over k3 plus 1 over k4 and so on.
And for parallel, it's just you replace the
For parallel,
you switch
k
you switch
equals
the plus and
equals
equals.
k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus dot dot dot. And the reason being is that like if they're both in the real world, it doesn't actually work like this. If they're both in parallel, like they have to move the same amount, but they can exert different amounts of forces, but they have to move the same amount. So like how would I explain? So like f total, right, equals f1 plus f2. Okay, and we know that delta x is the same, so we can rewrite this in terms of delta x. So f total equals delta x total times v equals this is again delta x1, but delta x1 is equal to delta x total times k1 plus delta x total times k2. So technically we can divide out all these delta x totals. So we get v equals k1 plus k2. I don't know. It's just substituting it using what we have. Yeah, that's
Well, what
just know
when
these. Just know it.
when do you even use that equation?
If we have like two springs in parallel and we wanna technically she could give us some or he. It's not Miss Donahue anymore.
What the?
What?
My bad.
Like you could just say find the equivalent spring constant. You just gotta do this.
Isn't it usually like double if it's like two springs that are parallel,
Well,
isn't
it
it like double the
depends.
original
They have
spring
to be if
constant?
they're identical springs, yes, because then they have the same spring constant. But if they're not
Okay, and
identical,
then
But you're overcomplicating it. It's literally just 1 over KQ equals 1 over the sum of the K's, bro.
that's
okay,
not
I'm
for
just asking.
parallel. We're talking about
Yeah,
parallel.
what?
Oh, my bad. Then it's just the sum of the K's.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, what about for a series? Is it like half of each if
So
they're identical,
okay, if
they
they're
share half the
identical,
spring
then you would
constant?
If
let's
there's
do
two
that.
only.
So if they're identical, we have 1 over k equals. Let's just make sure it's understood. Equals 1 over. We'll say k1 plus another 1 over k1, right?
Okay.
So this is equal to 2 over k1, right? Fractions. So we have 1 over k equals 2 over k1. So if we just like cross multiply, k1 equals 2k equals, or we can rewrite it as k equals k1 over 2. So the
But what
equivalence.
is like what is K
So
equal?
basically,
Like
like let's say we
what?
have two springs in parallel, right, and they're pulling up a block.
Yeah.
Imagine we merge them into like a mega spring. What would the
Okay.
equivalent spring constant be of that
Oh,
spring?
okay. All
Yeah.
right.
Okay. So
Oh, that okay,
so
that makes sense.
if we have two springs in parallel, is it in parallel? No, it's in series. If we have two springs in series here, one and then like a node and then another, it's holding up a block. If we have two, we'll find that the equivalent spring constant is half. It's half. And that makes sense because it has double the displacement of each individual spring. Like each individual spring is doing half the displacement of the total, but it's going to have 2 times the displacement of the other one, so it's going to have the same total force. Like look, see this spring is displacing delta x. This spring is also displacing delta x. So if we combine them into one spring, it would be doing 2 delta x as its displacement. So if we want to find the force, F equals k1 over 2 times 2 delta x. So that's going to be k1 delta x. is the force, which this is also K1 delta X. This spring had K1 delta X. And all the forces are equal. That's what the rule says. The force of each one is equal. Max, what was it you wanted to do?
Well, what I'm doing now is I'm going through and I'm just doing the AP questions like with my intuition, and then when the ones I'll get wrong, I'll go over with you. Like I'm just doing 9 AP questions.
I think he was talking about like
You mentioned something earlier.
a ramp or not a ramp, like
Yeah, I'm saying JT, like I'm so serious. You could like genuinely start a business doing this. Like I'm
Okay,
not
but I
even
would like to
joking.
like.
bro, can you hop off of his shit, bro?
No. Like you don't understand. Like people.
All right,
would
here we go. All right, let's get back to physics, guys.
a lot of money to do.
Justin asked me to explain it in Spanish, so let's begin again. Oh man, that's
Please don't. Please don't.
Barcelona.
Bro, Justin's not in here, bro.
He's watching the YouTube stream.
Oh,
I don't know that I have that capability. Las fuerzas. Oh my god.
Where's
How do you
us?
Yeah,
say spring in
just give
Spanish?
up. Just chalk
Las
it.
fuerzas para los. I don't know how to say springs. Let me.
Yeah, get out. JT, can you do one of the problems that Max talking about
Don't
when
say
it's like
do
the
one of the
ramp? and
problems.
it's like
Send the
motion?
problem.
I don't know, Max. What was the problem? Go back.
What?
You said it was like a car at the top of like a circular thingy, right?
Oh, you want the. It's going on a circular. So we have like a car. It's going on a circle. That's a circle. That's.
Yeah, let me just wait literally 1 second. Hold on. Planet X is a circular orbit around there. Planet Y is a circular orbit around B. Radius is X is twice the radius of planet Y. Period is twice the period. What's the closest to the ratio of the mass of star A, star B?
It's a little car.
It's either gonna be a half or 2. I'm just gonna pick 2.
And we want to know when the car is here. When it's up here, what's the minimum
Yeah.
velocity it needs to
Yeah.
pass?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just. Okay, so we have to
Oh,
set
you're
up.
gonna want to have the centrifugal thing cancel gravity. You're gonna have
Let's
the
see.
minimum.
So on the car, we're gonna draw a free body diagram of the car. We have
Yeah.
FG.
Wait, that's the main idea, right?
Yeah, we actually have two forces downwards, FG and FN. Okay, so there's some conceptual stuff that's going on here. So Fnet is always equal to centripetal.
Okay.
FC equals here it's mg plus FN. So let's understand something conceptually. Like when an object goes up a ramp, if it doesn't have enough speed, it immediately starts falling, right? That makes sense.
Mhm.
So it starts falling.
Yeah.
And centripetal force normal force. Normal force is caused by two surfaces pressing against each other. So if it's
Yeah.
barely touching this top surface here of the circle, if it barely reaches that, it's not going to press against that surface. So that means there's not going to be any normal force. Like as it
Yeah.
just starts to fall off, like the instant it falls off, there's not going to be normal force because it's gonna.
Get better at drawing free body diagrams. 'Cause
Yeah,
I feel like that's still.
So the instant this car doesn't make it over the ramp, it's gonna start dropping straight down, or like in this direction. So it's gonna stop pressing against the top of the ramp. So there's gonna be no normal force. So Fn's actually gonna become 0 newtons.
Mhm.
At like this instant, we're trying to find that instant. So this is also equal to, of course,
Oh,
mb squared over r. I don't know who said O. Who was that?
no, that made sense now.
Okay, so let's see. So we have this all is
So
gonna be
square root of gur,
equal
basically.
to this. So mg equals mv squared.
If
Wait, you said there's no FN.
Fn cancels out. It's 0 newtons. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
We set up the free body diagram, but we find that at the bare
Okay, so
minimum.
MG and then you said, okay, got
So
you.
now
So
these m's cancel
you
out.
can just cancel.
So gr equals v squared. This is v min, minimum required. Now rad gr equals v min.
Mhm.
And now another question.
Yeah.
I got a solid 4 out of 9. So here, this one. Actually, it's an object of mass m is attached to the end of the string.
Can you like send a
The string is
screenshot
spun around. Yeah.
in this general
Node shift S. I would take a screenshot. Oh yeah.
snipping tool?
How do I take a screenshot? Nice.
Listen, guys, he does things the old-fashioned way, pen and paper.
Actually, don't. I just like don't use computers. I'm like old.
He just
yeah,
does
I'm
it
like
in his
old
Just
phone.
use his head, bro.
Huh?
Just use your head.
Yeah. Like, okay, I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna
Yeah,
say it.
because
but,
it's
like,
on live stream.
Oh
But
yeah.
Wait,
we were all thinking.
JT, can you scroll up for a second real quick?
I think I would have said that about.
Wait, JT, what are you talking about?
Why is MG going in a different way than
Oh
FN?
crap! You're right. You're technically they're both in the same direction. Thanks for catching that. But
Okay.
also
Wait,
it's 0, so like
alright.
it didn't matter at the end.
Oh,
Okay, I'm just saying, like,
yeah, yeah.
I
No,
thought.
good catch. Good catch.
Here, JT, here's the screenshot I sent
Okay.
you.
1 sec. So okay. So object of mass m is attached. Okay, is attached at the end of the string. The string is spun around a vertical circle of radius r. When the object is at the top, the speed of the object is v, and the string is the tangent ft. What is the expression for v at the top of the circular path? Okay, let's do it. So we have like this is the center of the rope. So we're gonna look at the string. It's being I guess spun around this way. There's an object. It doesn't matter what the object is at the top. Okay. So let's draw the free body diagram. I'm gonna make a dot for the FBD. FBD. Okay, so there's two forces. Tension Ft. The string is clearly pulling it downwards. What is it asking? Okay. Speed of what is the expression for V at the top? Okay. And Fg. So our centripetal. Okay, when the object is at the top. So our centripetal so F net equals Ft plus mg. They're in the same direction. Equals Fc equals mv squared over r. We're solving for v. Okay. So we have this and this. So we're gonna divide everything by m over r because those are constants. So r ft over m equals r my bad plus rg equals v squared. Now we just take the radical of that.
Wait. Why is like all the forces equal to mv squared over r? Wouldn't it?
Because centripetal force is the net force that's pulling it in that tangential. It's the tangential force. So it's going this way, and both of these forces are we're
Good
fine.
luck, bro.
What, bro? You don't stop.
No, I'm leaving, bro. I'm done. I gotta say, good luck, Max. Good luck, Nico. You guys are both probably gonna fail. It's okay.
What about
Okay,
me?
nothing. We're not graded.
You and I'm gonna be mad.
So centripetal force is a net force, meaning it's the sum of all the forces. And this is circular force. So it's like the tangential net force essentially.
Oh, because V gets adjusted for it anyways.
So
like
this
V
is what
changes.
this is what we solved for. I believe that is option D. Should have been correct. Is that what it said?
Solving for V. Okay.
You know, I still don't have a justification for that friction disk question we did earlier.
Yeah, I don't even.
What?
There was a disk question we did earlier.
There
with
was a
friction,
question that
and
we
like,
don't know.
Can I see?
let's see. Do I have it? Not there. Not there. Not there.
Height
This
is
is
center of the circle. That's V.
Do I have it? I don't know if I have it. Let me look again.
Let me get some paper.
Okay, that was the U sub approach. I'm looking to see if I have. Yeah. So we have two blocks. Like, actually, I don't know if I can. Let me find the question if I can. I think it was on the. Circular motion. Okay, so this was the question. Let me. Okay. This is the question, and that's the correct answer. Without slipping.
Two small blocks. Oh. Wait.
Okay, I'm trying to solve the first question that I'm gonna do. Got speed. M V over R,
Whoa.
which equals force due to tension.
This is trippy.
uh,
So centripetal force is mv squared over r. And then for block P, it would be 4 mv squared over r.
Can you scroll up really quick?
To what, the old one?
Just the last one. Yeah.
This is the same
because
question. I'm redoing it.
Oh, you're redoing it?
Yeah.
No. Like the one that I did, like that I asked you to do.
Let's see if I have
The one
that.
you solved for,
We solve for what?
for the velocity.
I don't even remember. Here.
That one. Yeah. It's okay. It's mg. Oh, it's because these are forces, so it's ft plus mg, and then yeah, that wait, but mg. Okay,
It's straight downwards.
sorry.
It's gravity.
But doesn't g have like a p squared in it or something? Isn't it like?
Don't you have to use force of friction
For what, Graydon? Yeah, you do.
for the
What,
disc?
Max?
Like doesn't like mg? It's just a constant force. That's it.
It's a constant. Yeah.
Oh, force equals mass times
Technically, in the
acceleration.
real world, it varies with height, but we consider it to be negligible.
Okay.
It's negligible.
I need to write this out.
Okay, that makes sense.
Because otherwise, it would all become painful differential equations that we don't want to do.
You know all this, JT. Like, I'm so serious. How the hell do you know this?
Because I took the class last year.
Bro, like the differential equations part, you just know it's painful
Oh, that's just
differential
intuitive
equations.
for me because, like, from my years of coding video games, everything in video games, I technically would see them as differential equations. But it's like you're using I want to say an unordered differential, like your physics engine is essentially a differential equation solver, and it goes step by step. That's all it is. That's what a physics engine
Wait,
is.
are you sure the answer is B?
What do you think it is? I think that's what Nico said ChatGPT said.
Yeah, that's what ChatGPT said, and Zach said ChatGPT said it too.
Wait. I don't want to. Actually,
Well,
I want to be. Let's try it. Let me try it in an unbiased manner.
I'm just thinking like it could be A or B.
It could be
Why
6
is-
or 7.
Can someone submit
No, it
it?
has nothing to
Ooh.
do with mass.
Why
It has no-
not?
because they cancel out when you set centripetal equal to frictional.
Then you guys are right. Yeah, it's B.
But
I
I want the
forgot about that.
justification for why it's
Well,
why it's not C.
if it's twice the radius, that
Well,
means
obviously it's closer to falling off, but like
no. If it's twice the radius, that means the circumference is twice as much, which means the velocity is twice as much.
Wait,
So
hold on.
because twice the velocity, it's gonna be greater than the
I see what
force
you're
of
saying.
static friction quicker.
Ah,
Oh no.
that's a
Is
stupid
that right?
question.
Wait. Okay, JT.
Yeah.
Okay. So, here I'm gonna send you to
Bro, we didn't. I think you're technically right because the radius doubles the velocities also. But like that's
Yeah.
so hard to set up correctly.
Wait,
Yeah,
how
you
is
gotta think
there?
about.
Oh,
Because
no,
look, because velocity v equals 2 pi r over t. So technically, this is stupid. Vp equals 2. It's technically 4 pi rq over t, and then block q is what 2 pi rq. Now, if we set this equal to so we have mg. Oh, yeah, mg equals v squared over r. Oh, this is disgusting. So, well, technically, if it's less than or equal to. So if we
I
have
would
to
just do this one conceptually because you don't have to.
Uh,
There's no work to show.
yeah, probably. Oh, all of this is over RQ, so that cancels out. Over R pi squared over G squared. Okay. So yeah, there's like a threshold here. Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. You could just say that because like you know that
I think
like,
so.
it's closer to the edge, it's gonna go off sooner. I feel like that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, just conceptually.
Oh,
yeah,
these ones
can you help me with
are those the same thing?
with,
No, they're not.
with these two questions?
Yeah. The object of okay. Let's see. So an object of mass m is attached to a string. Okay. Of the center. The object has a speed of v. What is the magnitude of the net force? Okay.
Well, is this not just
Okay, let's see. Fc equals
plug in?
let's find out. V squared over R equals no, it has a okay, so let's see. Equals what is that? 3RG times M over R.
Wait, but I thought that you said that you had to take gravity into consideration too, because
Well,
He's not done
plus
yet.
I'm not.
That's a centripetal force, which is the force of the string, the force of tension. And then you just
Yes,
okay,
plus
you said that the centripetal force is
it's
like
the tangential.
oh wait.
no.
No.
You said it takes everything into consideration. So it takes
I said it
gravity
takes all it's a tangential net force technically. What do we have to do here? Let's see. Mass M.
I actually know how to do this one.
Let's start from the opposite way actually. So we have a free body diagram. So Ft is going to be inwards. Ft. And mg is downwards. Okay, so technically our net force is in this direction.
What the hell is the net force? Oh, I see why.
Doesn't make any sense though.
Let's find out.
Because centripetal force is the net force. Is it not?
Okay, let's see. I have an idea. So technically, centripetal force is the tangential. So if we break up this, we have to break this up into like a. Let's see if we can make sense of this. So this is Ft, and this is gonna be mg.
I mean,
Gradient.
if we do it, oh yeah.
So
Oh no.
and we
it
want to
does make
find.
sense.
So technically, this is. So now we have
Ft is
m and v squared is 3rg, right?
no,
What
no,
do
no,
we find?
JT. We're doing it wrong.
What are we? Oh, okay. So Ft is this. So
Ft is Fc, which is 3mg.
3rg over r. So that cancels out. So we get 3mg. Is this
And
and
then you
this is
just
mg.
use
Now
Pythagorean
the square
theorem.
root of 9m squared g squared plus mg so this is
Squared.
f net, yeah, plus m squared g squared.
I get it now. Okay, this
That's
is making more sense.
stupid, and I would
But
get that wrong.
it is stupid because the centripetal
Okay, because you have
force
to
is
understand
supposedly
centripetal
the net
force.
force.
Centripetal force is not the net force. It's the net. It's the net It's the net centripetal. Because tangential.
It's
Tangential on a. That's what it is, essentially. Because
centripetal force is centripetal force.
Tangential's this way. Centripetal's this way. Centripetal force is the centripetal
It's the net perpendicular
It's
force.
the perpendicular to the tangential.
Wait, how did you get M3RG over R? Why'd you put that over R?
Because that's mv squared over r. Is
Oh,
is ft.
all right, that makes
ft
more sense.
equals fc.
Oh, I got it. Graydon, did you do the thing that's due today for PoE?
It's not due today.
The chain
What kind
reaction?
of-
Oh, yeah, it's not. You're right.
Can you do the second one I sent?
Yeah, isn't it the same question? Wait, did you delete the first one? No, you didn't. Okay.
2 of the first one.
Oh,
Sphere.
yeah.
Okay. We gotta do this.
Oh, Lord.
Nonsense. This is not bad. Why does it even give us L? Okay, it's spun around in a horizontal constant speed, forming a conical pendulum. Is Y. The period of revolution is in trial 1 is T1 and Y equals Y1. Okay, the period in trial 2, the period is okay. What is the expression for Y in trial 2? Okay. So, free body diagram for the circle based on what we're seeing. We have ft. This is sine theta technically. Sine theta. Then we have ft cos theta. When you combine those together, you get that string. So, let's see. mg.
Wait, force of tension. Okay, I see.
Wait, actually, I don't even know that I'm doing this right. But let's set this up. So ft cos theta. Theta equals mg. ft
Is weird.
sine theta equals this sine theta equals mv squared
Period
over r.
is half. Velocity is half.
Why is it equal MG?
So then the centripetal force is a quarter.
Okay, wait, watch this.
That's
Let's.
not ft sine theta is a quarter.
Wait. JT, why does it equal MG?
mg, that's the vertical component. It's staying at the same height, meaning its y velocity is 0, constant.
Okay, wait. So then, what the hell? Why is the
The other
wait,
one,
why does
that's the centripetal.
Oh, it's the angle's at the top. Okay.
Oh no, it's twice the velocity, 4 times the centripetal
So
force.
now we have to do ft. What's it asking for? The ratio. It's asking for
It's
y1.
4 times.
How
the
do you even get
centripetal
y?
force.
What's the relation here? I guess theta has to be conserved. Oh no.
It's
Okay, let's wait. Hold up. Ft sine theta, right?
oh
Equals.
Lord, have mercy.
Bro,
Wait,
you don't
Greg, what do
believe in that. Okay, t squared. So, all right. So what we know is that this in trial 1 it's y equals y1. Okay, the period is measured. Okay. So if we plug in t, this is t1 for trial 2. We plug in t1 over 2. That technically simplifies to f t sine theta equals 4 m 4 pi squared r
Yeah.
r over. Okay. 4. Oh, the 4 is there. Okay, 4t1 squared. So now what we know is that this is all has to be equivalent, so we can set these equal to each other. This is r2, r1. So these are equal to each other. So check this out. I know what we're doing here. So when we cancel it out, so we have r1 equals 4r2. Well, I mean, I hope I'm doing this right. Can't even guarantee that anymore.
Oh my! This is like actually the most cursed thing ever. What the hell is this?
So an
That
r1
is right. That is right.
r1
right.
equals y sine theta.
Wait, but JT, so you substituted in for the angular velocity?
Angular velocity. What?
2 pi over
Oh, actually, this might be still r1. I don't
wait,
know.
what's t on the bottom? Wait, what's t tangent?
What?
Yeah, it is R1.
That's no t is, bro. T is period, bro.
T's period, my bad.
Um,
Wait, why'd you sub in for 2 pi over period? Like,
why
what's
did I
the point
sub
of
in
it?
for 2 pi over? Because that's velocity, and we need it all. It talks about period in the question, so we need to have period in the equation.
Such a clever boy. Goddamn.
Oh, so the
Just
answer
solve
was
it.
over 2. So like,
Oh no. It's over 4.
oh, okay. Wait, this is really
Max
straightforward.
chose over 2.
Oh, look, so R1, so similar triangles, right? These triangles maintain the same angle. So like if this is Y1, R1, right? So we can scale this up. It doesn't matter if like, as long as these thetas are like, congruent, which is, and they are, we have angle similarity. So technically, right, because R1 equals 4 times R2, so technically it's the other way around. That means that Y1 equals 4 times Y2. So Y2,
No.
what?
That's not right.
Yes, y2 equals
Yeah.
y1 over
You sure?
4. That's the correct
Nah,
answer.
there's nothing to do with the square in there.
You don't. It
Ja-
doesn't matter.
wouldn't,
This is
wouldn't
right.
that mean that
This is right.
um
Look at the answer. It's correct.
wouldn't that mean the length is 16 times as long?
No, that's
Or
scale
4
2.
times as long?
Yeah.
Wait,
don't know.
but did you not just say like
No, the JT, you're thinking about it wrong. You got it right, but you're thinking about it. The length is constant.
Oh
Wait,
yeah.
JT, where did you get that R1 is equal to 4R2?
Length of the string is constant.
Because
It's
we set
not.
these
It's
equal
not a
to each other.
similar. It's not a similar triangle.
You're right. Yeah.
Wait, what?
We set them equal to each other, Max. Look, these are both equal to ft sine theta. So
They're both equal to what?
ft sine theta.
You know they're both equal to FT sine theta.
Because I said so, bro. Because like
Because the force of tension. Wait.
Wait, hold on. Is are we talking about
Hold
this
on.
like FT sine theta for like those two things that they're for both? Like I mean one of those is for y.
okay, well it's the
why-
same object, meaning that in the y direction ft cos theta has to be the same for both of them because it's the same object. So ft sine theta has to be the same. The
Wait,
angles
wait, wait.
doesn't change, I don't think.
The angle does change.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we'll keep going like this. Sine theta 1. I don't know how we even do
It's
that.
something to do with the fact that the string of the length is constant, or the length of the string is constant. I just don't know how to use that.
No. There's no way.
Oh, okay. Wait. Check this out. So, like, theoretically, right? We have here that L, right, equals L squared equals R1 squared, 1 squared
Oh my god, this has
plus
to be a freaking
Y1
joke.
squared, right? So now we have for the second one L squared equals, what was it? What did we find? The R is 4 times.
4.
But I don't
Yeah,
know that
4.
that's actually true. I don't know that that's true. But let's pretend it's true. Like it might be true. I don't know.
Be a joke.
No,
Dude,
I'm
if he
not
makes
joking.
us do this on the test, I'm literally gonna kill him in the middle of the test.
Like I don't
I'm
think this is
dead ass
correct,
shooting
but
It
let's,
doesn't look right.
nah, this does not look right.
Wait, how about JT
What?
with this question?
Yeah, I don't know, guys. Does it give a solution? Can you like,
Yeah, it gives a solution.
can we like see it?
Wait, JT. So
Bro.
can you here? It says correct. Applying Newton's second law in the vertical horizontal direction.
Okay, but
yields-
send a screenshot.
Yeah, you're right. Do that. Like just before the end, before you go to sleep, or when are you going to sleep actually?
Soon, hopefully. Like I don't want to be up.
Bro.
Bro, it's late and I have a physics test. So
You're
send
just
this answer.
Yes, that's what I'm doing now. Can you go over like a potential FRQ that he could give us?
Dude, I'm not a psychic. He's gonna give, it's
Oh,
probably just deriving V, like, for in
Yeah,
the
can you
differential equation. Drag force, send this. Okay, let's see.
trying to get to this. You know how terrible I am at freaking technology.
Using a computer.
Yeah, especially computer. I don't know.
Actually, show the answer.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I sent.
Applying
thanks.
Newton's, okay, so let's see. Oh, yeah, so basically, right.
Bro.
Okay, so look, check this out. Watch this, ready? I don't actually want to do this, but we'll do it. So ft cos theta, so ft, right, ft equals mg over cos theta. So we can plug that in here. So we get mg tan theta equals all of this.
Wait. Oh. Why is it f of y? Oh, because it's like they're doing different like y's. Wait, am I retarded? What the hell is happening? Hold on. It's yeah. Wait, why is it minus mg?
Minus mg, because that's the f net, it's equal to 0. It's just saying ft cos theta equals mg.
That's how you do it.
So we get, okay, let's see, tan y
I'm
squared
missing that
equals,
step in the beginning.
Oh, I get it.
tan is r over y. So like I don't want to think about the rest of this, but okay, how do we do this one? Gian sent this. Gian, we did it earlier. Can you just like watch that? I'm not redoing the question. Just scroll back in the video once, like we did it, and I explained it very thoroughly. I think.
There's a
So-
video. This records.
Yes. Why do you think I have it recording? So I can just say go
Oh.
play it back.
Wh-
I already did this.
When'd you
with
do it?
I don't remember, but
Like,
just
how
go,
long ago?
you'll see the question. I don't know. I really don't.
When you do it, how long ago? Not change what's happening. I'm so fucked for this test. I'm like actually like really screwed.
But we did mad questions.
Yeah, I know. Okay, are we done?
Wait, please not.
Wait, we didn't finish this one.
Here, JT. So here, can you just do like a recap of like the test in general?
Bro,
Like
no.
no. Just like what is like what things do you need to know for each unit? Like what's like the general way to get a question right for each thing on the
What's-
test?
Dude, that's like a ridiculous question to be asking.
Like what things do I need to
Yeah, facts. Max, can you stop asking retarded questions?
think
Okay, so
about it? It's like no, listen. So with this thing, it's kind of like with this unit specifically. It's like okay, know that centripetal force is this, right? It's like it doesn't necessarily have to be just pointing in. It could be like just in a direction. You can calculate it like this, and then you could kind of fuck around like that and figure it out. But then like for the springs, I mean, I guess it's in parallel. So, but all it is springs, gravitation, and like springs, gravitation, and what's it called?
Resistive forces.
Yeah. And
Wait, JT, we're idiots.
thank you.
Yeah, we know, Granted. Wait, JT, did you have the question pulled up?
Yeah.
when you did
okay,
this?
so this is equal to R over Y.
JT. Wait, am I? Hold on.
4 pi squared R1 over G T1 squared.
JT, they're not. They're not just.
What?
Wait a minute. Wait a
This
minute.
is correct. T1 over 2. So now 4 times all of that.
You don't have to do any of this. Just think about it. If you have a triangle and the hypotenuse is constant, if you take one side length and divide it or multiply it by 4, then the other one has to divide by 4.
I don't think the side length is constant though.
It,
I thought-
Max, it's a string. The length of the string is constant.
Oh.
Yeah, Max, why are you asking stupid
Freaking-
questions?
What were you saying? Can you repeat that? I
No,
wasn't
yeah,
listening.
I literally have not paid attention for 1 second at all in this entire unit, bro. I could not know anything less about what's going on
What were you
right
saying,
now.
Graydon?
Okay, let's say hypothetically the y value the y value originally was 4 and the radius was like 2, right?
Yep. Okay.
Wait.
Oh no. Bro, did Jason just ask what subjects are on the test? I can't with these people, bro.
Wait. 4 2 20 1 8. No, I'm wrong. I lied.
You were wrong.
I lied.
No, this is what it is. You use the tangent identity, unfortunately.
Yeah,
So T
that's OD work.
4. So like y2 equals 1/4 all of that. y1 equals 1.
BT, I cannot find this question
It's
that
there
you said
somewhere.
you did.
I promise you.
I just looked through all of it.
Let me
Was the
double check.
question up or just the answers?
I did the question with Nico.
Nico? Oh, so it's probably early. Wait, no, bro, I was here early.
y2 is 1/4, so y2 is a fourth of y1. It actually has to do with the tangent identity. You're solving for tan theta, and then you know that tan theta is also equal to y over r. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
r over y, and then you find ratio. It's not a simple question, bro. It's ridiculous. I don't think we would be asked this.
Yeah, I don't think so.
These people are babies.
Bro, Ethan,
Yeah.
for this one, can you just take the velocity function and then plug in both t's and subtract them?
What's the velocity function?
You have it memorized?
No. Oh, like the v naught, 1 minus, something to the negative k
Wait, I
over
have an
mt.
idea actually. So like,
Yes.
What's
So-
that something again? Is it e?
It's v terminal times 1 minus e to the negative kt over m.
Negative. Wait, you say that again?
Bro, it's in the notes.
Is it on the reference sheet?
No?
So I have to memorize that. Yeah, I'm just gonna cheat. Whatever.
on video, you really just said that.
Yo, obviously I'm not cheating. You know who I sit next to? Fucking Nico and Rayhan.
Yo, I would pay
mean,
like $7 to sit
Like a
next to
20% chance to sit next to me if he doesn't move us.
Yeah, but I do better than you, so that means I'm smarter than you.
Yeah, okay, bro.
you. Oh, Graydon did not like that.
Okay, we're done for the night.
Actually,